welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today we are going to unbox some Nike shoes, as we see on the box. Today we're going to unbox the Nike Waffle One. So let's see. I just love open some new shoebox with the fabric smell and looks cool, smells nice. Yeah, so the waffle ones, Nike Waffle. Wow. I forgot about the in the box view. That's the first impression, so it's kind of important. Let's take them out. Wow, that was a lot of paper. Let's get that off to the side. First impression, I gotta say they are really cool actually. It's a pretty special design, I gotta say. It's not my usual go-to Nike shoes, but this will be very cool, I think, to wear, so I'm really looking forward to wear them. So as you see, you got the beige, you got the white, you got the red, black on the underside. It's really a summer shoe, because you can see right through on the side here, it's thin, so it would breathe when it's warm and stuff. I do not think I can recommend these as a winter shoe, but they are obviously not winter shoes, so yeah. It's kind of bluish on the back side here. On the waffle side, I guess you can say. Very cool looking shoe, very special, something new. So can't wait to wear them actually. Looks to be decent quality too, so yeah, nice. Let's try them out.